Now, amid the dwindling economic situation in the state, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has said that there will be no salary perks for Himachal MLAs, including the Chief Minister, for at least 2 months. Now, this is coming after Sukhu has laid down a statement on the financial condition of the state during the third day of the monsoon session of the Assembly and claiming that funds from the union government had not reached the state. He also hit out at the previous BJP state government, holding them responsible for the current financial crisis that the state of Himachal Pradesh is facing.
आज सदन में मैंने ये घोषणा की कि प्रदेश की भीषण वित्तीय परिस्थिति के दृष्टिगत मंत्रिमंडल में चर्चा करने के बाद सभी मंत्रिमंडल वाले के सदस्यों ने ये तय किया कि जब तक प्रदेश की आने वाले समय में जो सुधार और अच्छा नज़र आता है, 2 महीने तक ना पे लेंगे, ना टीए लेंगे, ना डीए लेंगे। और यही अनुरोध मैंने जब अपने सीपीएस साथियों से कहा, उन्होंने कहा 2 महीने तक हम भी नहीं रहेंगे। महज ये छोटा सा अमाउंट है, लेकिन एक सिंबॉलिक अमाउंट है।
Now, Himachal Pradesh's poor financial health is attributed to heavy borrowings, rising salary, pension budget, reduced central aid, and inadequate revenue generation. Freebies like the revival of the old pension scheme, a promise to pay 1,500 rupees to women, and free power that have resulted in financial mess in the state of Himachal Pradesh that is now amounting to a massive debt of over 86,000 crores. Now, the state government, which has implemented 5 election promises, including 1,500 rupees per month to 5 lakh women, on which an estimated 800 crores per annum will be spent. Now, the Chief Minister may have called to pay cut, a decisive step for the economic interest of the state, but the BJP in the opposition is not buying the rationale.
2 महीने तक सैलरी नहीं लेंगे, ऐसे सिर्फ डेफर किया है हमने। और आर्थिक संकट है प्रदेश के ऊपर और 2 महीने तक सैलरी नहीं है। मुझे नहीं मालूम कि उससे कितना फर्क पड़ेगा प्रदेश की आर्थिकी पर, लेकिन जिन चीज़ों से सही मायने में असर पड़ता है, प्रभाव पड़ता है, उन पर अमल करने की आवश्यकता है। सीपीएस आपने जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के मुताबिक नहीं बन सकते, वो आपने बना करके रखे हैं। कैबिनेट के दर्जे के साथ आपने बहुत सारे लोग बना के रखे हैं, चेयरमैन बना रखे हैं, और जिस प्रकार से सारी चीज़ें, सुविधाएं उनको उस प्रकार से दी गई है, तो निश्चित रूप से मैं मानता हूं कि इससे सारी चीज़ों का समाधान।
अच्छा इनिशिएटिव मुख्यमंत्री जी ने लिया है, एंड लीडिंग बाय एग्जाम्पल। उन्होंने 2 महीने के लिए सभी जो मंत्री है, चेयरमैन्स है और जितने हमारे सीपीएस है, सबके वेतन को 2 महीने के लिए रोका है। और आने वाले समय में विधायकों से भी अपील करी है कि उनको भी कुछ समय के लिए अपने वेतनों को छोड़ना चाहिए, ताकि हमारे प्रदेश में जो वित्तीय संकट है उससे निकलने में छोटा सा सहयोग हो सके। और हम लगातार प्रदेश में संसाधनों को मजबूत करने के लिए पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं। हमको पीडीएनए में पोस्ट डिजास्टर रिलीफ फंड जो मिलना चाहिए केंद्र से, अभी तक नहीं मिला है। मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उसको विधानसभा में भी उस बात को रखा है।
Amandeep, good morning. The promises have been made. How will they fulfill it? The government making efforts to boost revenue and cut unproductive spending, but still the benefits of these efforts are not expected to be realized with immediate effect. It will take time.
Absolutely, Amita, absolutely. Now, Himachal Pradesh is suffering from the financial crunch, and in fact, the promises made by Sukhu government before polls, that is yet to be fulfilled, and in fact, that turned out to be the biggest challenge, and that is the reason they have forego the salary of 2 months of all the ministers and MLAs having the cabinet rank, and in fact, they have also urged the entire assembly to surrender their salary and the perks also, just because perks are much burden as compared to salary. So they have surrendered both, and in fact also asked all the MLAs to surrender their salaries and the perks for the benefit of the Himachal's financial position. And in fact, there are several schemes that are still pending to fulfill by the Sukhu government, which has been promised earlier also, and even they are also announcing the new schemes. And even the Himachal Pradesh has been faced a destruction during the floods in the last month also, and the recovery is yet to be made. So everything is basically depending on the financial situation of Himachal Pradesh, and that is the reason They are putting efforts to restore it, but it cannot be happen all of a sudden. It will obviously take time. They have to manage the revenue source of Himachal Pradesh and of the state as well to fulfill the schemes that has been announced on the political grounds. Yes.
All right. So as far as the Chief Minister there is concerned, urging other members of the Assembly as well to follow his lead in deferring their salaries and allowances. For the moment, Amandeep, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching the Morning News. We'll be back.